Hello, Aqua Room. We're going to talk today about the sun, the moon, and day and night. You guys know what daytime is, right? What makes it light outside? We'll talk about that. I don't want to give you the answer yet. I want to see if you can think of it. And then think about what makes it nighttime outside. What is the sun made out of? Do you guys remember? We've talked about it before. The sun is a big burning ball of gas. And that's what makes it so bright, because it is on fire. So it's a big ball of gas. And then the sun shines on us during the day to make it daylight. At night, the sun is gone. Where does the sun go? Sometimes we see the moon, not every day, but sometimes we do. Not every night, do we see the moon, but sometimes. Where does the moon go? Well, let me show you what happens. I have my little tiny globe here, and I have a yellow pointer. With my little tiny globe, let me get it closer. Right here, this yellow part is where we live. That's our country, the United States, right here. Now, I'm going to use this yellow pointer, point it right at that yellow spot, our country. Pretend like this is the sun. It would be up like this, wouldn't it? Pretend like it's the sun shining on it. The world, the earth, our earth moves. All day long, it moves. So it's moving. And right now, at about 9 o'clock at night, our country is over here, where I'm pointing with my finger. The sun's not shining on it anymore. And that's what makes it night, because the earth turns away from the sun. The sun doesn't go away, does it? The sun's still there. The sun's always there. The sun moves a little bit, but it moves the same way that we do. The earth moves around the sun. The moon moves around the earth. And all of us together move around the galaxy. So the reason why it's dark at nighttime is because our country where we live is turned away from the sun on the earth. And then we come back, then it keeps turning, and it comes back and it's morning again. The sun is always there. Now, the sun is a big burning ball of gas. So what is the moon? The moon's not as bright as the sun. It does kind of look bright. The moon is just rock. And the reason why it looks bright is because the sun reflects its light off of the moon. So when we think the moon is glowing or looks like it's bright, it's really just the sun. Its light is shining off of the moon. I'm looking at my notes that I wrote of so I remember everything this time that I want to tell you. So there's one more thing we'll have to talk about. Well, first, let's talk about what happens during the day. What do you guys do during the day? Right now, when I get up in the morning, I have breakfast, and then I do some work, and then I have lunch, and I do some more work, and then I usually try to spend a little bit of time outside watering the plants and taking care of them, and then I have supper. And then it's usually nighttime, and when it's dark, I go to bed. What do you do at nighttime? I think a lot of you probably go to bed too. There's Landon. He came outside to join us. Landon, what do you do at daytime? I think Landon just plays. Maybe that's what a lot of you guys are doing right now too, is playing at home, making things, making crafts. Maybe you're learning how to cook. Maybe you're helping clean the house. Landon does that sometimes too. And what do you think the plants are doing during the day? What does the sun do for the plants? The sun shines on the plants, and the plant uses the sun's energy, the sun's light, to make food. So the sunlight helps to make food for the plants, and we give the plants water. If it doesn't rain, the sun gives it light, and the plants grow, and then we use those plants for food, the ones that we can eat.
Hey,
So there's one more thing we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about shadows. Do you know what a shadow is? I'm going to stand up.
Hey, let's do the Miss Flower.
Oh, Landon wants to show you this dandelion. Okay, show him, Landon. There it is. A shadow. What causes a shadow? You guys know what shadows are. I can show you on the ground. Maybe you can see the shadows from the leaves. When I walk, it makes a shadow beside me. Do you see the shadow on the ground? You can just see an outline of me. You can see my phone, looks like a rectangle. That's a shadow. What makes a shadow? A shadow is the sunlight. Let me start over. A shadow is your body, being in front of the sunlight and blocking the light. So your shadow is just you blocking the light. Well, I hope I've given you some things to think about today. I know there's a lot that you guys know about this earth and the sun and the moon and space. I know it's all something we love. So I'd like for you guys to take some time to explore space. You can just play that planet video that we all like so well. Talk to you later. Bye.